recent years, there has been growing concern about the effects of excessive masturbation and pornography consumption on male individuals. While masturbation is a natural and healthy sexual activity, it becomes problematic when it reaches a point of compulsion or addiction. Studies have indicated a correlation between excessive masturbation, the consumption of pornography, and a decrease in motivation, feelings of lethargy, as well as cognitive impairments such as executive dysfunction. This article aims to explore these effects, present scientific observations, highlight relevant studies, and discuss the potential benefits of abstaining from these behaviors. Several studies have revealed a connection between excessive masturbation and pornography consumption with executive dysfunction, which refers to difficulties in planning and solving tasks. Researchers have observed that prolonged exposure to pornography can alter the reward pathways in the brain, leading to desensitization and decreased motivation. One study published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine 2016 reported that individuals who frequently consumed pornography experienced higher levels of executive dysfunction compared to those who did not. The statistics surrounding pornography consumption among men are concerning, according to a survey conducted by the renowned pornography website Pornhub. In 2022, the site received over 38 billion visits, with men accounting for a significant majority of viewership. Furthermore, a study published in the journal JAMA Network Open 2020 estimated that approximately 79% of men aged 18-30 reported watching pornography at least once a month, with 16 categorizing their viewing habits as problematic or addictive. While overcoming an addiction to excessive masturbation or pornography can be challenging, research suggests that quitting these behaviors can have positive effects on an individual's productivity. When someone abstains from excessive masturbation, they may experience increased energy levels, improved focus, and enhanced motivation. By redirecting their time and energy towards more constructive activities, individuals can often accomplish more in their personal and professional lives. Many people report feeling a renewed sense of purpose and clarity once they break free from the cycle of compulsive sexual behavior. Excessive masturbation has been implicated in the development of decreased motivation and apathy in individuals. Several studies have shed light on this association, highlighting the potential negative consequences of compulsive sexual behaviors on motivation and overall engagement in life. One study published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine 2018 investigated the relationship between problematic pornography use, sexual desire, and motivation. The researchers found that individuals who reported higher levels of problematic pornography use also experienced lower sexual desire and reduced motivation in various domains of life, such as work, education, and personal goals. These findings suggest that excessive masturbation, often accompanied by pornography consumption, can contribute to a decline in motivation that extends beyond the sexual realm. Another study published in the Archives of Sexual Behavior 2019 examined the impact of hypersexual behavior, which encompasses excessive masturbation, on psychological well-being. The researchers found that individuals with hypersexual behavior displayed higher levels of apathy and lower levels of self-esteem compared to those without hypersexual behavior. Moreover, they reported decreased enjoyment in everyday activities and a diminished sense of purpose in life. These findings suggest that excessive masturbation can lead to a general state of apathy and reduced motivation that permeates various aspects of an individual's life. Neurobiological research has also provided insights into the mechanisms underlying the link between excessive masturbation and decreased motivation. Dopamine, a neurotransmitter associated with reward and motivation, plays a crucial role in the brain's response to sexual stimuli. Prolonged exposure to high levels of sexual stimulation, such as those experienced during excessive masturbation or pornography consumption, can lead to desensitization of dopamine receptors and a blunted response to natural rewards. This neuroadaptation may contribute to decreased motivation and anhedonia, a condition characterized by a reduced ability to experience pleasure. Furthermore, excessive masturbation may disrupt the balance of other neurochemicals involved in motivation and well-being. Research suggests that chronic sexual overstimulation can lead to alterations in the levels of serotonin, a neurotransmitter involved in mood regulation. Decreased serotonin levels have been linked to symptoms of depression, apathy, and diminished motivation. Additionally, excessive masturbation may lead to changes in hormonal levels, including testosterone, which can further impact motivation and overall well-being. It is crucial to note that the impact of excessive masturbation on motivation can vary among individuals. Some individuals may experience a temporary decline in motivation following excessive sexual activity, while others may develop a chronic pattern of apathy. Additionally, the presence of co-occurring mental health conditions, such as depression or anxiety, can exacerbate the negative impact of excessive masturbation on motivation. Addressing excessive masturbation and its impact on motivation requires a multifaceted approach. Behavioral interventions, such as cognitive behavioral therapy (CBT), can help individuals identify and modify maladaptive thought patterns and behaviors. Building healthy coping mechanisms, improving self-esteem, and setting realistic goals are essential components of therapy aimed at restoring motivation and reducing the negative consequences of excessive masturbation. A study published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine 2020 investigated the relationship between hypersexuality, which encompasses excessive masturbation, and motivational deficits. The researchers found that individuals with hypersexuality reported significantly lower levels of self-efficacy, which refers to one's belief in their ability to accomplish tasks and achieve goals. These individuals also displayed diminished motivation to engage in non-sexual activities, such as work or hobbies. The study suggests that excessive masturbation may be associated with a broader lack of motivation and decreased belief in one's abilities to succeed in various domains of life. Another study published in the Journal of Behavioral Addictions 2017 examined the psychological factors associated with problematic pornography use, which often co-occurs with excessive masturbation. The findings revealed that individuals who reported problematic pornography use had higher levels of depression and lower levels of self-esteem. These psychological factors can contribute to decreased motivation and a sense of apathy towards pursuing goals and engaging in fulfilling activities. Neuroscientific investigations have also contributed to understanding the impact of excessive masturbation on motivation. Functional magnetic resonance imaging studies have shown altered activation patterns in the brain's reward circuitry among individuals with compulsive sexual behaviors. Specifically, these individuals exhibit decreased activation in regions associated with motivation and goal-directed behavior, such as the prefrontal cortex. These neurobiological changes may underlay the reduced motivation and apathy observed in individuals engaging in excessive masturbation. Furthermore, research suggests that excessive masturbation can lead to the development of a phenomenon known as sexual anhedonia. Sexual anhedonia refers to the inability to experience pleasure or satisfaction from sexual activities. This condition can be a consequence of excessive sexual stimulation and may contribute to a general sense of apathy and reduced motivation towards sexual and non-sexual activities alike. It is worth noting that excessive masturbation and its impact on motivation can also be influenced by individual and contextual factors. Co-occurring mental health conditions, such as anxiety or attention deficit hyperactivity disorder added, may interact with excessive masturbation to exacerbate motivational deficits. Additionally, environmental factors, such as social isolation or relationship difficulties, can further contribute to decreased motivation and apathy in individuals engaging in compulsive sexual behaviors. In conclusion, research consistently indicates a negative association between excessive masturbation and motivation. Studies have highlighted the link between compulsive sexual behaviors and diminished motivation in various aspects of life. Understanding the impact of excessive masturbation on motivation can inform interventions that address the underlying factors contributing to decreased motivation and apathy. Further research is necessary to elucidate the complex mechanisms involved and develop targeted treatment strategies for individuals experiencing the negative consequences of excessive masturbation.